Okay, so there you go, my friends. Surge Omicon here at the Donner Memorial, paying homage to those pioneer spirits where things went so deadly wrong for them. So, anytime you're out in the wilderness, it's best to be prepared, because you never know when you're gonna run into maybe Surge Omicon! Yeah, that's it. It's your old pal Surge Omicon here, talking about a little bit of doom and gloom for the Donner parties. You know, when they got stuck back in here in November, and it started to snow, and before you knew it, it was a problem. A very deep, they were in deep, deep, deep snow. You know, I know you thought I was going to say what I was going to say, but I didn't say it because you already knew it. But the snows were to the top of that monument up there where you see those people standing up there. You know, that's some serious snow. It doesn't get that snow anymore because of the global warming. I know the global warming is happening here and there, but it makes a difference. And you can see the snow is not so deep. So lucky for us, here today at the Donner Memorial at the tops of the Sierra Mountains, just before the Donner Pass, where the real troubles begin. Okay? Just enjoy and stay safe out there. Wow, it's breaking up. Ha-ha! Who knows? We're gonna see something beautiful like this today. Yeah, you know, being a pioneer back in the days when they had the wagon trains and they were coming here to California from all over the country, you know, this Donner party, it really wasn't such a party after all. You know, they got a late start in April, and they got some misinformation. They were told that this was a shortcut to cut like about 300 miles off of the trip coming across. So they were digging it. And then they found out it was some misinformation. They got in here in November and the snow started to snow. And it kept snowing. And it snowed, and it snowed, and it snowed, it got deeper. And you see that, the monument back there? That's how deep the snow was, all the way to the top of that. Oh man, that was a bad thing. And a lot of people died, and they finally got rescued in January of the next year. But not until a lot of suffering went down and a lot of nasty stories that you hear about the Donner Party. I don't know if it's true. Some people say that they had to, you know, resort to desperate measures. Can we just say that? I don't know. You know, that's the way people talk in those days. And they still talk that way today. Even if they're talking about Surge Omicon, that's right. Here talking to you from Thunder Lake at the top of the Sierra in the middle of the winter, and it's a beautiful day. I hope you're having a beautiful day and stay safe too. Bye. So we're here at Donner Lake, and as you can see, you're getting some vitamin D today, right?
Supercharged immune system.
Supercharges immune system.
And with some dopamine.
Oh, you're gonna be all dopamined up. Here's Coach Bobby. You know, this Donner Lake is kind of famous, you know. Well, there was a party. It wasn't really a party, it was a Donner Party. We called it, they were a bunch of settlers, and they were coming across the countries in their, you know, in the wagon train, and they got some misinformation. They were told that Donner, this was going to be a shortcut, and they made it as far as here in November. He's under the ice.
Woo! Come on, brother.